Need to get rid of a cough fast? Try these 12 remedies you probably already have at home. Gargle with salt water. A simple way to ease a cough is with salt water. Sip on ginger tea. Take hot remedies. Add honey to your drinks. It can also tamp down pain and help fight off viral infections. According to Penn Medicine, enjoy a hot bath or shower. Hydrate. Staying well hydrated can help thin mucus in the back of the throat, which can lead to mild improvement in a cough, explains Dr. Honig. Try a nasal spray. Use a neti pot. Pick up cough medicines. Then there are expectorants, which thin mucus and may help you expel it from your airway through your coughs. Probiotics. Quit smoking.